And this lesson we're going to go to over we've just installed WordPress on our host site, and then we're going to go to the control panel, and then we're going to install a theme for WordPress. And so I'm going to log into the control panel. Here's the site, mi3-ss43.a2hosting.com:2083. And I'm going to log in here, and then it'll take me to my control panel. And then from there, you scroll down a little bit. And this is if you're using the A2 hosting. But most of these Softaculous are kind of the same. So I'll do WordPress optimize, and then it should have all the WordPress installations I have. And so I'm going to use this one right here. Click on the little man, and that'll bring up the manage the WordPress. And then from there, you go to appearance, and then themes, and then on themes, I'm going to add a new theme. I'm going to do e-commerce star, and I've already added it in there, so I'm basically it'll come up, and then you'll just hit install. See, I'll type something else, and I'll install a different one. So, wait, sorry. Go to the add new, excuse me. It didn't come up right. So to add a new one, just go to commerce star. So you can, there's thousands of themes to filter through. You can do based on featured, popular, latest, favorites, feature filter. So anyway, basically I'm going to go to install a theme, and then you just activate it next. But I've already installed e-commerce store, so I'm just going to activate it from here, and then we're going to add a header logo to it. So basically from here you can go back to the appearance, and then just go to customize, and then it'll come up. And I've already installed all the e-commerce stuff, which is in a later lesson, but I'll just go through this to add the logo. Just change logos, and then I'll pick you can upload a file, or you can get it from media, and I've already installed it, uploaded it, so I'm going to just select this, and then you kind of want to trim it up a little bit so that it takes up. Basically want to have as much as possible above the fold, so your call to action should be above the fold, and you can see the call to action for the products. And you guys won't have those in there yet, but look at some of my later videos and lessons, and you'll see them there. And so I'm good with that. And then also in the site identity, you put your site title there, and mine is parody shirts, parody t-shirts, masks, and so then my tagline is never take life too seriously. And so you can toggle this on and off. I would recommend that you definitely put it in there. Whether you need a title, Google, this is the most important search terms to Google right here is the site title. So even if you don't show it, you should still put it in there. And then your tagline will help too. And in my case, I want to show it in there. So got that there. And then when you're done with the header and stuff, then you can just publish. And you can also edit the menu. And we'll go over that, the navigation and everything later. So I'm going to use that as my primary menu. And then I'm going to publish this page. And then we can double check it, go to parodyshirts.com. And there it is, it looks pretty good. And you can also, I forgot to show you this on the customize menu. You can check to see what it would look like. So this is the desktop right here. This would be on a tablet, and it still looks pretty good. All these will go away. These are just the little edit buttons. And then this is what it would look like on a phone. and so you can see all the products there. So it looks pretty good there too. So I'm happy with that. So in our next lesson, we're going to go over some other. We've got several other things to do to install the store and attach it to Facebook and all that. So subscribe to my channel, Drop Shop, and like us and comment. Thanks, and have a good one.